Hello and welcome to Store Setup Pro. Today we've got my website pulled up and we want to add a logo to it, and you'll want to learn how to add a logo to your website, I'm assuming, because you clicked on this video. First of all, we have our logo, or whatever you want to call this, that Shopify automatically provides. That's just text. Most people want to replace that with something designed by themselves. And here's how we can upload the logo that we already have. You'll want to log into your Shopify store. It'll, of course, take you to the home page. I'm already logged in. This is the page that we go to whenever you don't have everything set up. As far as uploading the logo, we'll go to your online store tab right here, and it'll show that you're in the theme section. You'll scroll down and you'll see customize right here. I've got the craft theme, so we'll go ahead and just click on customize. It'll take us to the home page editing screen. And you'll see a menu of icons over to the left. You'll have the sections area, the theme settings, and the app embeds. You want to go ahead and click on the theme settings. It looks like a little wheel or a sprocket. And that'll take us to where you see a menu right here. The logo is, of course, under the logo menu. And it's the first option to upload here. You'll go ahead and click on select, and this brings up all your images. If you don't already have your image uploaded to your Shopify website, you'll just click on add images right here. And I've already got mine loaded, so we'll go ahead and select it in the list of images. If I can, oh, here it is right here. Go ahead and select that and then click on done. Once you do that, it's automatically uploaded, and it will show in your logo in the preview section on your home page. You'll go ahead and click on save, and we'll refresh the page. You'll see it right there. There's your impressive logo now instead of just the writing. So that's how you do that. Pretty easy. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. And if you want more videos about how to update your Shopify store, just subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be creating these all the time. And I hope you have a good day. I'll see you in the next video.